Statin drugs, used to lower cholesterol, are among the most widely prescribed medications in the United States and have a remarkable good record of safety. All but one of the currently approved statins are no longer under patent, so the cost of medication is low, with a 3-month supply available for as little as $10.
Studies have demonstrated that statins do more than restrict cholesterol production in the liver. They also reduce inflammation, a process that contributes to a heart attack by triggering the rupture of an unstable plaque. Statins are thought to stabilize plaque and reduce the risk of a rupture. Both smoking and the metabolic syndrome are pro-inflammatory, suggesting that a statin drug might be particularly beneficial for individuals who smoke or who have diabetes.
Atorvastatin, Lipitor, available as a generic, achieves a 27 to 32% reduction in LDL at a dose of 10 to 20 milligrams. Rosuvastatin, Crestor, achieves reductions of 38 to 45% at a dose of 5 to 10 milligrams.
Statins should be combined with lifestyle changes for the best results. A healthy diet, regular exercise habits, avoidance of tobacco, and maintenance of a healthy weight remain a critical component of health promotion and ASCVD risk reduction, both alone and in conjunction with the use of a drug therapy.
The decision about whether to take a statin is intensely personal. Discuss your risk of heart disease with your provider and decide whether statin therapy makes sense for you.